Start in the AI4Meta Skills documentation. This page is the safe place to compare commands before typing one into a project. For each command, read purpose, inputs, model class, and rights. A command that writes screening decisions is different from one that drafts critique text. Skills can appear through Copilot chat, workspace buttons, or the keyboard palette. The audit path should stay the same, no matter which surface starts it. Before running a skill, confirm the user's role and the command's write behavior. Viewers cannot write, owners can commit changes, and those changes must be auditable.